Hi guys, welcome back to Financial Flagship. My name is Alex and today we're going to do an analysis on gold on the daily and the 4-hour time frame prior to the Fed meeting today. So let's start off with the daily chart, and as you can see on my screen on the daily and also on the weekly and monthly, we are in a big bullish uptrend, as you can see by this arrow here. And after this move was finished, starting from 2015 and ending back in July 2020, around this top, the price entered a big range. As you can see here on my chart, this is the range that I'm talking about. And as it stands on the daily, I'm expecting a pullback, at least either a small one, like a consolidation here for one more move towards the upside, either a bigger one that will have the chance to go and reach this trend line here, as you can see on my chart, before going back up. So let's move down a bit to the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we are still strong on the upside, and the price started to increase on gold from this level here. It made a sharp wave up followed by a pullback, and then the uptrend continued until we almost reached a new local high around this area. As it stands, the price started to range again in this zone. So let's zoom in a bit. And after this drop, we had this pullback, this messy structure inside, which reached an imbalance zone on the chart. What's next for gold? For gold next, we have two scenarios in mind. The first one is either a consolidation, a small pullback here, a small sideways range that will push the price back up, eventually breaking this top. And if this happens, I'm expecting another pullback and make a new all-time high. And if we get a reaction from this zone, it may come up one more time, then sharply drop, followed by a pullback, in which if we get here a reaction, then that will be a good trade towards the downside. So this sell setup, if it occurs, it will be a good one to take. And as a potential target, it has a nice area here that it may possibly reach the 1.1950 level, 1940, 1950 level. That's my area for a reaction. And if we don't get that reaction, then most likely we'll correct again and drop towards the daily trend line. And from there, most definitely will go up. So first target will be for the sells will be the break of this low, followed by this order block here. And if we get a correction for a continuation, then most likely we'll go and hit the trend line before going back up. If not, like I said, then if you see a structure here developing like a small range on the 4-hour time frame, like a small range here, then this is your trade towards the upside. But be careful, because after we break this top, it's still in an imbalance zone and it could fall from there. So for me personally, I would not risk anything with the buy setups for now. Even though this could go higher from here, I'll wait for a sell setup if it happens. If not, I'm gonna leave it alone. But regardless, if you get your setup, trade with care, don't over risk, and be careful, because this news event could move the market upside down. So sometimes it's better to stay away from this kind of trading days. So with that being said, I wish you a happy trading day, a happy trading week, and we'll see you guys on Monday for the daily market update.